Hey, I'm Sam, and today I wanted to show you this electric griddle. I got this specifically because cooking breakfast foods at one time is absolutely a pain, and this one is non-stick, and it also has a warming tray as well to kind of make things a little bit easier, so to store and keep warm while I cook the rest of my foods. The top of the griddle is a ceramic non-stick coating, which makes cooking so easy because it really is non-stick. So whenever I'm cooking like pancakes, eggs, things like that, it is so easy to flip everything without it sticking to the pan. I've even been able to make like multiple grilled cheeses at one time without them sticking to the pan. This does have a removable temperature probe and it goes up to 400 degrees. It also has like a warm function to kind of just keep your food warm on the top of your griddle if you're kind of done cooking but need to leave everything there for a little while. It also has a removable drip tray at the back here. And then in the front is where your warming tray is. And it has actually a good bit of space so that you're able to kind of store your foods just whenever you're done cooking those. I really liked having this electric griddle around. It's been a great option to have to be able to help make multiple foods at one time without having anything sticking to the pan or anything like that. So if you're like me and needed something similar, I would definitely recommend trying this one out.